Are you struggling to get 4,000 watch hour? Don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to get 4,000 watch hour fast. Even without having 1K subscribers, this method will still work for you. Stay with me and let me teach you tips and secrets that most YouTubers don't share. Before we dive into the video, let's understand what 4,000 watch hour really is. To get monetized on YouTube, you need 4,000 watch hour. That is long video, 4,000 public watch hour. That is what it means. And before you can get monetized, you also need 1K subscribers. I made that video before, so if you've not watched it, go watch it. So you need that 4,000 watch hour alongside with 1,000 subscribers. So when you post YouTube shorts, you're not going to get that 4,000 watch hour. You need a long video, and your audience will have to watch that video from the starting to the finish. So that is how you can get your 4,000 watch hour. So the first step I'll be talking about is making long videos, which I said already. Make long video within 8 to 20 minutes long because the longer the videos, the faster you hit your 4,000 watch hour. So the first secret is making long videos, because that is the fastest way to hit your 4,000 watch hour. So the second step I would like to talk about is making a video series. Making a video series simply means like making a video in series, okay? This is the secret that makes small channel blow up. For instance, when you make video in episode and you post it, there is no way a viewer of yours or an audience of yours will not come back and watch the second episode. So you just make videos in series, because you can hit your 4,000 watch hour when you make videos in episodes. Like I gave some valid point on how to grow on YouTube in my previous video. I'll just put it at the end of this video so that you will see it yourself. Click it and go and watch it so that you start your own, like you start growing. You start getting your 1K sub, and then you grow. Before you know, you get monetized. That brings me to step 3. Step 3 is improve your video retention. Improve your video retention. Watch time depends on one thing: how long people stay watching your video. You can even use this retention trick. For instance, start the video immediately and then remove boring part, use background music, add subtitle, add b-roll, and most importantly, add suspense. That is because the longer people stay, the faster you hit 4,000 watch hour. So point 4, step 4. Step 4 is consistency. The 3-3-3 rules, I call it, which is 3 long videos a week, and then 3 months, and 8 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes maximum. That is what I call the 3-3-3 rule. Even small channel hit 4,000 watch hour when they stay consistent. So that brings me to the step 5. Post and promote your post. Don't just post video on the channel and then just disappear. Promote it. Tell people to watch it long, like starting to finish. Tell your audience to watch it from starting to finish. If there's friends that you want to tell about your channel, just tell your friends about the channel, your family, your relation. Just tell them to watch the video completely from starting to finish. because that's one. In that way, you will be able to hit your 4,000 watch hour like ASAP, like very quickly, because your video doesn't really need to go viral. You just need the right audience, the loyal audience who will keep coming back to watch your videos like back to back. So that brings me to the point 6. Use your analytics. Use your analytics. Some people don't make use of their analytics. They don't go to their dashboard. They don't do anything. They just post video and then they go. Like, it doesn't cost. Like, I don't understand. Make use of your analytics. It's very important, because by making use of your analytics, you realize that when you post video consistently, YouTube will tell you what to fix. When you use your analytics correctly, YouTube will tell you exactly what to fix in your channel. YouTube analytics. Check the top videos, your videos that is doing well, like your top viewers, your top audience, your audience retention, traffic source, click-through rate, so on and so forth. All of this I just mentioned is what you will see in your YouTube analytics. When you make use of your analytics correctly, you see all of this. You see all of this. And then when you find all these things, and then you look at what your audience are interested in, like the most, like which of your videos is doing well, what's your, like what is this particular video that your audience is more interested in. If you see it, then you keep repeating it for them to see, because it only shows that that is what they like. So you repeat it for them to see, or for them to keep watching. If you follow these steps of mine, you hit your 4,000 watch hour very fast and very quick. Very quick. Now tell me in the comment section what your channel is about, so that I will give you some personalized tips. Still your one and only Empress. If you've watched up to this point and this video has been of a great benefit to you, please hit the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell, so that anytime I drop new videos, you will be the first to get notified. And also like all my videos, watch my videos, guys, and see you in the next YouTube growth video. Bye.